Hello guys! We have Louie, Squishy, Mashims from Nainay, the Chubby Chicks. Thank you, Nainay. First is this one. Let's see what we get. I already opened this. Another orange. Is it same? Series 1. Why it's new series? It's possible. Bluey!
Ganun lang. Show close up lang. Dito. Dito. Ito yung lalagyan natin sa YouTube. Lang. Ilan pa? Series to 9.
This is another series, Paige.
Ano na? Nalagyan?
This is another one.
Sabi mo pag again. Ganun.
This is different.
Different yan.
Pero same
Pakita mo
color.
sa kanila na magkaiba. Pagtabihin mo yung pares yung color.
Series 2 time.
Really?
Ah! Normal! 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 Normal!
That's your favorite?
Yes, that is my favorite. Lucky! I'm squishing you. I got the berry to. One, but let's slow it down. I'm sure this is slow. It's a gray dog. I don't know the name, but it's so cute. I'm already complete. Ah.
Hindi. Ano?
It's the white dog.
What's the name?
Chloe. I got the normal one because it's... You get another series too? Bluey.
Again?
Again. That's one of the series 1. So many plastic. Pero babalik natin ulit sa box. Yes. Again. Got a lot of Blueys here. Team Bluey. So this is another one where I can get a pig. If I got a pig, then you're lucky. That's the pig! I got the pig! See? Pig sauce. I got the pig!
Show it.
I got the pig! This is Daddy, by the way. A pig. This is a big dog. I got a secret from here, but where's the other? See this one. Next, we got smart dogs. Lot of blowy things.
The last one.
Another series too.
The last one.
This is the last one, by the way. It's another normal.
Thank you for that.
Thank you guys for opening all the squishy.
Nagawa mo nalagyan ng taho yung grade.
Pakita mo. Oh, show it. I
I got all of these.
how many? You show it for one by one.
Just 12 squishies.
Show it one by one.
Bluey, 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 Chloe, Orange, Orange, Bingo,
Si Bingo.
Normal, Normal, Big Secret, Smart, Gray.
That's awesome.
Thank you.
Oh, what did you say?
Thank you, Grandma.
Thank you. Tapos na. Bye guys.
Bye-bye.